In yesterday lecture, what we learned and or what was the topic? Nobody was there? आंचल बताओ, शिवांगी, वैभव, मनदीप. हाँ बोलो बेटा. हाँ, एनवायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी के बारे में अपन ने डिस्कस किया था. ठीक है, वी आर मूविंग अहेड. माय स्लाइड्स आर विजिबल टू यू? Yes, yes or no? Yeah. Now see here. As this particular diagram indicates the relationship between environment, society and economy. Yesterday lecture we discussed about the environmental sustainability. In that particularly, what we have been discussed, what are the major causes of environmental problems, reason behind that, and after that, what is environment, how environment sustainability can be achieved. Then we have 3 types of resources and how we can conserve them, and many more things we discussed, like 3R concept, like non-renewable, those resources which I cannot renew. So I try to do reduce, reuse and recycle. Fine, that is all about this. Now we come, before discussing economic sustainability, first we will elaborate a little bit about social political sustainability or social sustainability, because it is a bit small topic also. And before moving for the economic sustainability, a proper awareness for the environmental and as well as social sustainability should be clear. So what we mean by social sustainability? It is the least defined and the least understood of the different ways of approaching sustainability, or we can say sustainable developments. So social sustainability क्या होगा तुम्हारा? It has been considered less attention in a public dialogue than economic and environmental sustainability. And basically it occurs when the formal and informal process, like system, structure, relationships, actively support the capacity of current future generation to create healthy and lively communities. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि social sustainable communities जो है, that is equitable, diverse, connected, democratic and provide a good quality of life. One professor was there, that is Amartya Sen. He gave following dimension for social sustainability. I will suggest you to write down these points. These are very important because this will come across when we will discuss economic sustainability. Fine. तो अभी तक अपन ने बस यही देखा है कि सोशल सस्टेनेबिलिटी की जहाँ तक हम बात कर रहे हैं, इट कुड बी फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल in the form of a system, structure or relationship actively support. Fine. Now अमृत्य सेन ने जो डायमेंशन डिसाइड करी है या डिस्क्राइब करी है सोशल पॉलिटिकल सस्टेनेबिलिटी और भी के सोशल सस्टेनेबिलिटी की, फर्स्ट इज इक्विटी, सेकंड इज डाइवर्सिटी, थर्ड इज इंटरकनेक्टेड सोशल कोहेशन, क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, डेमोक्रेसी एंड गवर्नेंस, maturity. These are the points. So first write down these all 6 points. Dimension of social sustainability करके पहले लिखो equity, second is a diversity, फिर लिखो interconnected और social cohesion, quality of life, democracy and governance, एंड 6 इज अ मेच्योरिटी. ये मेन हमारे की पॉइंट्स हैं जहाँ तक अपन सोशल सस्टेनेबिलिटी को like cover करेंगे. Now what is equity? Community provides equitable opportunities and outcome for all its members, particularly the poorest and most vulnerable members of the community. ठीक है. So social sustainability means these are the dimension. If we maintain a particular balance with respect to this 6 dimension, then social sustainability may move on. Okay. So wait a minute. हाँ पेपर हो गया या चल रहा है? Yes. Sorry for the interruption. Call has come. Yeah. Where were we? Equity means हमारी जो कम्युनिटी फॉर्म है उसमें सभी जो पुअर से लेके जो प्रॉस्परस हैं सभी को क्या इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज और आउटकम्स दिए हुए हैं. फाइन. Second is the diversity. The community promotes and encourages diversity. As India considered to be a most diversified country, like so many religions and so many communities are there, and we are like in between them. So first thing is social sustainability may move on ahead if we have the equality for all people. Second, diversity, if we encourage the diversity. Third is interconnected social cohesion. That is, community provides processes, system, structure that promotes connectedness within the outside community at the formal, informal, and institutional level. Fine. How you can elaborate this? Can anyone explain this? Interconnected means what? If we don't go for the higher vision, if we say suppose talk about our college itself. So college is a community, or you can say an organization in which like 5 to 6 department and branches are there. So interconnected means if all the faculty members of different branches are interconnected, whether it is a formal, informal, or institutional level. Fine. So what going to be come out to be एक connectedness भी रहेगी, and we will aware regarding other branch you can say exposure and everything. So some or another where interconnected thing should be. Quality of the life. Community ensure क्या करती है कि basic needs जो हैं that is made foster a good quality of life for community level, like health है, हाउसिंग है, एजुकेशन है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट है, सेफ्टी है. तो जहाँ तक सोशल लाइफ हमारी कब सस्टेन हो पाएगी? व्हेन वी आर हैविंग अप्रोप्रिएट अमाउंट ऑफ दोज थिंग्स विच बिलोंग्स टू अ गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, लाइक वी नीड हाउसिंग, फूड, एम्प्लॉयमेंट, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ इश्यूज. दिस ऑल कम्स अंडर क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. Democracy and governance. So community provides democratic process and open and accountable governance structure. That is all everywhere provided, whether a state or a district area is there, a particularly municipal corporation or a particular governance is there to look after. Fine. Maturity. Individual accept the responsibility. This is a very main point. Among all 6 points, all those are as per rule, but as far as maturity is concerned, it belongs to a particular human. So individual accept responsibility of consistent growth and improvement through broader social attributes like communication style, behavioral patterns, indirect education, philosophical exploration, etc. So, if each an individual consider its responsibility and give attribute or attribute to the social world, like as being a faculty or a professor in this college, it's my duty or responsibility to learn you as much as good as possible. And what is your responsibility or a maturity? Like whatever I am dictating or I am learning you, you need to understand that. And if you are not understanding, then you can ask me down. So yeah, in between, ask a query or write in a chat box. Otherwise, I just consider that I am just giving pravachan. It is only one way communication I am feeling. अभी तक जो है वो समझ में आया सबको? Say yes or no. ठीक है, तो सोशल सस्टेनेबिलिटी के लिए कितने की पॉइंट्स हैं? 6 पॉइंट हैं. इन दैट इंटरकनेक्टेड, मैच्योरिटी, इक्विटी, डाइवर्सिटी, डेमोक्रेसी, दिस ऑल कम्स फाइन. और इन 6 चीज़ों का जब पर्टिकुलरली प्रॉपर बैलेंस होता है, देन सोशल सस्टेनेबिलिटी गोइंग टू एग्जिस्ट. इज इट क्लियर? तुम लोगों ने इनके नाम वगैरह तो लिख लिए थे? ठीक है. Now comes out to be economic sustainability. This is a third pillar. अगर हम इस डायग्राम को देखें तो first we discuss environmental. Just now we finish with the society or social sustainability. Now we come to the economic sustainability, which is a major part of any country, whether it is India, US or UK. So what we mean by economic sustainability? It is one constraint by the requirements of the environmental sustainability, or we can say it restrain resource used to ensure the sustainability of natural capital. It does not seek to achieve economic sustainability at the cost of environmental sustainability. So it's or we can say economic sustainability is an integrated part of sustainability and means that we must use, safeguard, sustain resource like human and material to create long-term sustainable values by optimal use, recovery and recycle. And it implies a system of the production which satisfy present consumption level without compromising the future need. I will suggest you better you write down its definition. So this one you can write down. What is economic sustainability? I am giving you 2 minutes to write down. It is an integrated part of sustainability and means that we must use, safeguard and sustain resource. जहाँ तुमने ह्यूमन लिखा है उसके ब्रैकेट में तुम सोशल सस्टेनेबिलिटी लिख सकते हो. And where we are mentioning material, you can write down environmental sustainability. Means we must use, safeguard and sustain resources like social sustainability or the environmental sustainability to create what? Long-term sustainable value by optimal use, recovery and recycle. ठीक है, लिखो जल्दी. Slides are not visible. Why? Now it is visible. Yes or no, beta? अभी विजिबल है? लिख लो फटाफट, इसकी डेफिनेशन लिखो, देन विल मूव अहेड. Have you written? Now we will bit elaborate this economic sustainability so that you can have a more like thorough awareness regarding this, and after that we will start sustainable development. Fine. Slides are visible to all of you? Yeah. Actually, don't get irritated if particularly again and again the meaning of sustainability comes, because whatever will be the topic, whether it is solar energy, wind energy, so many other topics will come later on. So everywhere, whenever we will discuss that topic, once in a while, the meaning of sustainability and sustainable engineering that used to come. Fine. So sustainability को अगर हम डिफाइन करते हैं मल्टीपल डायमेंशंस में, सो व्हाट इज दिस? वेरी ब्रॉड कंसेप्ट नीड्स अ प्रिसाइज डेफिनेशन in order for it to be useful element of your strategy. So what is a strategy? It is not appropriate for every economic development organization. It requires a certain level of resources and expertise in order to effect them. So there are two main approaches. One is supporting and or leading community sustainability initiative, or supporting the development of sustainable business practice and enterprise. Fine. If we go for the multi dimensions of sustainability, so sustainability, what I can say, it is an umbrella concept which encompasses a wide range of behavior and strategy, and as a result it means many things to many people. And basically there are two basic definitions of sustainability which comes as far as my economic part is concerned. Fine. So write down this particular thing. ये तो ठीक है कि sustainability क्या है, एक umbrella के समान है in which so many things are there, but as far as our economic sustainability is concerned, what things you need to grab is basic two things. Broad descriptor of prosperity goals related to an integrated approach between the economy, ecology and community. And why we need that? For improving each domain without diminishing the other. If I go for more specific, then as improvements in environmental performance of social and economic systems, resources consumed, waste produced, this is what is typically referred to as environmental sustainability. ये दोनों पॉइंट लिख लो. Now let me first take attendance also. जब तक तुम लोग लिख रहे हो मैं अटेंडेंस भी ले लेती हूँ. Achal Soni, beta, I am taking your attendance, so please give, and meanwhile other student write down the definition. Achal, Ankit, Ashwini, Bhavna, Disha, Gaurav, Jinisha, Kesar, My voice is audible or not? Voice is audible? आंचल को क्यों नहीं सुनाई दे रही है? ठीक है. Now Kushala Mehta. Krishna Gopal Bagela, Kunal Mathur, Mandeep, Neeraj Sharma, Neha Thakur. Neeraj, are you there? Why voice is not audible? Might be network issue is there, I think. Wait a minute. कृष्ण गोपाल बघेला आज नहीं है ना? Yes. Yeah. Kunal Mathur is also not there. Mandeep दिख रहा है. नीरज शर्मा, नेहा, पायल, नेहा प्रेजेंट है या पायल प्रेजेंट है? ओके. प्रणव, प्रवीण गहलोत, शिवांगी, सिद्धार्थ, तन्मय, वैभव मंगल, वंदना, मोहित. Okay. Actually, if some student have audible issue now, that might be the network problem. Because कुछ बच्चों को आ रही, कुछ को नहीं आ रही. It means network issue is there in that particular respective area. Fine. Where were we? Have you written this? More specifically, as improvement in environmental performance, social and economic systems used to be interconnected. Social means resources consumed, economic system waste produced, that is what is typically referred to as environmental sustainability. Basically, economic sustainability, one on another part, is very much correlated to your environmental sustainability, and up to a certain extent it interconnect. किसका माइक ऑन है? बंद करो बेटा. Up to certain extent it is interconnected to social sustainability. Fine. Sustainable development is living on nature's income rather than its capital. What it means? That particularly at the heart of current crises like economic theory and particularly consuming the earth's resources beyond our sustainable capacity. What is going on? Basically, we are consuming natural capital while calling it as a income. That should not be take place. These are the definition. When sustainability comes at the economic platform or business enterprises, then we can say the capital business define the dimensions of sustainability from the point of view. Basically, इसमें environmental के बाद अगर हम economic sustainability देखते हैं और if your exams are concerned, then also a little bit of your business entrepreneurship and capital formation, like this particular graph, that is very important because in between that particular topic also question could be asked, like this is an integrated approach to capital formation, like financial, human, social, natural. Okay, what success looks like, that is also given. Major part is this integrated approach to capital formation, how it is going to be formed. with respect to social, finance and natural. This is so नहीं social, this is economic part कह सकते हैं और इसको हम environmental कहेंगे जो natural है. So economic में core process क्या होगी? You can draw this diagram meanwhile. Core process is customer value creation, embodied in the money, physics, asset, goodwill, like that. Social में core process क्या रहती है? Trust, reciprocity, और बाकी सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स है, सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, वो सब है. एनवायरमेंटल की जहाँ तक बात आती है तो वाटर, मिनरल्स, एनर्जी, बायोटिक साइकिल, दैट इज़ अ कोर प्रोसेस. और एम्बॉइड्स में नेचुरल सिस्टम, रेजिलेंस, प्रोडक्टिविटी, रॉ मटेरियल इनपुट्स. और फाइनली व्हेन आई एम मर्जिंग ऑल दिस थ्री, सो दैट कम्स आउट टू बी ह्यूमन बीइंग. मीन्स ये सारी जो हम कहें सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हैं या इसके अंदर के जो टॉपिक्स हैं, फाइनली वो जो सस्टेनेबल इंजीनियरिंग है या सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्सेज है, एनर्जी है, who is using them and who is getting benefit? Human, we people. That is the learning and personal development, also physical, mental, emotional, spiritual capabilities and intellectual properties. When it comes, this will comes when I am using these three things parallelly together, fully utilizing them. Is it clear? इसके बाद अभी ड्राइवर्स और ये हैं एनवायरमेंटल परफॉर्मेंस के इसके इम्पैक्ट बताएं. ये तुम यू कैन डू दैट, बट हाँ वो डायग्राम जो है वो बना लो, ठीक है. इसके बाद बिजनेस इनोवेशन, फाइन. फिर अपन यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे सस्टेनेबल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट स्ट्रेटजी. आई एम गिविंग यू, यहाँ से अपन नेक्स्ट क्लास में स्टार्ट करेंगे, दैट इज सस्टेनेबल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट स्ट्रेटजी, स्लाइड नंबर 33. अभी ये डायग्राम बनाओ, देन आई एम गिविंग यू 10 minutes ब्रेक एंड देन विल स्टार्ट VLSI डिजाइन. पहले ये बना लो. If this type of diagram or concept could be asked, what is the integrated approach to capital formation? How human is related to social, financial and natural resources? So in that thing, you can make this diagram. Have you drawn बेटा? इसकी कोर प्रोसेस और एम्बॉइड ये तो लिखो ही. बना लिया क्या बेटा? यस बेटा, ठीक है. Now when we comes regarding sustainable, just अपन 5 मिनट और इसके बारे में डिस्क्राइब कर लेते हैं, then we'll move for another lecture. Sustainable economic development strategy. So what comes focus at many different levels of economy is community, sector, supply chain, individual company, specific environmental aspects or impact. So what comes in community? Advance and support community sustainability initiative. Sectors में designed around the area of companies in a sectors. Supply chain, it belongs to the particular like focuses on the supply chain within the industry. Network कह सकते हैं एक तरह से management. Individual company, that is many initiatives are focused on the individual company and supporting. These are basic things you can get. My purpose is to show this is you need to learn and understand sustainable economic development strategy. So wherever we go, there are many different levels of economy, but it depends. Their level is community, sector, supply chain, individual company, specific environmental aspects or impact. ठीक है. और कम्युनिटी सस्टेनेबल स्ट्रेटजी की बात करें, सो द लेयर आर डिफरेंट लाइक नेचुरल, बिल्ड, इकोनॉमिक, सोशल, and their goals are different and their typically strategy is also different. That's it for this. So in the next class we will start with sustainable development tomorrow. That is what is sustainable development, concept of sustainable development, pillars of SD. Okay, and it is important as far as your exam point of view also. So here we are finishing. Okay.